My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Dogecoin very biggest mistake. The holders do a biggest mistake at this time, friends. So in this video we discussed, and we also discussed the price of the Dogecoin, the prices occur in the Dogecoin the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, and what's the next move of Dogecoin. In this video I will show you, friends, so keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you're new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current day at this time price of the Dogecoin. 0.583318 USD dollar is the currently price at this time price of Dogecoin. And if you look the price is okay in the Dogecoin, so the last 1 hour change as going positive, friends, and last 1 day price change as going negative, friends, and same like that the last 1 week change as again positive, friends. Only the last 1 day pricing as negative, friends. So a lot of holders do a biggest mistake. Let's see for more details the price chart, friends. As you can see here, friends, at this time the price change occurred in the Dogecoin. As you can see here in the previous time, the over and very bad fast occur in the Dogecoin in the last 1 day, friends. But friends, if we look the previous time period, the currently price period of the Dogecoin, so as you can see here in the last 4 hours they take a jump, the highest jump, and I hope that this jump is a continuously jump of the Dogecoin, friends. But a lot of holders do a biggest mistake at this time, friends. As you can see here, when they see this kind of fast, when they see the fast start in the Dogecoin, so this sale has gone in this time, friends. And absolutely you know that it's not time to sell, it's time to hold, friends. As you can see here, you should have to understand the cryptocurrencies market. After a fast there is a jump, so as you can see here, after this fast, now it's time to take a jump, friends. So absolutely those people who sell has gone, so they are in the loss, friends. If you look the price change occur in the last 1 day, so the price change is about negative for 14.31%, and the highest price is about 0.682604 USD dollar is the highest price of Dogecoin in the last 1 day and the 24-hour, friends. So what's your prediction? I think that this jump, I hope that this jump is a continuously jump of the Dogecoin, and this jump is continuously throughout this month, friends. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching Abhi's Tech channel.